What's up, guys? So this is the first time I am filming on the Canon R6. It looks like everything is really overexposed. How did the ISO get up there? Let's see, I thought I had this ISO on auto. Alright, there we go. That was user error. I just turned the camera on. Now we're on the 16mm 2.8 Canon lens, and image stabilization's on. We've got IBIS and we've got some kind of digital stabilization, and a helicopter is going by. So yeah, this is a wide shot. Much wider than on the R50 I was just using. I just got both of these cameras in today. So now the exposure is set at just 0. So we're not in log or anything, we're just in the standard picture profile. And I turned the camera off for a second because of that plane that was flying by. So I got this used. I did an unboxing on it if you want to see it. And so we're gonna actually go to the user's picture profiles, the guy who sold this to me, see what he had set up for like custom picture profiles. Because to me on the screen, it looks a little bit off, like a little bit harsh on this. We might have just filmed this in C-Log. Alright, so the guy who sold it to me set this up as his user default. I can't really tell a difference right now. It's standard colors. He's got one neutral, the first one, and then one standard. And then the third one is also standard. Let's test that out. Alright, so this is the third one he's got set. Another in the standard, but yeah, how does that look? And then we'll go over to C-Log, because it's really overexposing stuff. Here's his neutral picture profile he's got set up. I don't know if you could grade that or not. Possibly. It looks like everything's less overexposed. Well, maybe not. What's up, guys? So I am personally curious, what are the best settings on the Canon R6 for me personally, not necessarily for everybody else. This is HDR PQ on. So it's kind of like an HDR setting. This is what I've been using on the R50 since I got it, and it looks pretty good. You could color grade it, but you almost don't have to color grade it. It's a little bit desaturated with a higher dynamic range, but I kind of like it straight out of the camera. So I'm just going to show it straight out of the camera for this clip. So for this clip, I'm going to try to color grade the HDR PQ. So check that out. See how the colors are on my skin, my hair. I just woke up. Alright, now we're going to go to C-Log. Alright, so now we're in C-Log 3. That's like the main C-Log people use, I feel like. This is like much more desaturated, way more dynamic range. You can tell right away from looking at this clip. Now, this is C-Log, but we're going to color grade it. How does that look? Alright, so I turned C-Log 3 off. And this is the regular C-Log, so check that out. What do you guys think of this? So now we switched over to the 50mm 1.8 from the 16mm f2, and that's what this looks like. I kind of like this better, especially if you're shooting in the house. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, and hit that subscribe button because I got a lot more videos to come. Thanks for watching.